How's it going? Hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to my first ever beginner focused real-time workout within my Train Like a Warrior YouTube channel. Now the reason I'm putting together a few beginner sessions here on the channel is because within my online membership I'm going to be focusing on a complete beginner transformation program that is suited for those that are looking to get into fitness. You don't have to go to the gym, you can work out anytime, anywhere to get into the shape and health of your life by having me working out alongside with you every step of the way. So this is going to be a full body session tailored for beginners. It's only going to last 12 minutes, and of course you can go ahead and repeat another round if you need. All you need for this session is either one dumbbell, a pair of dumbbells, or a kettlebell, and you're going to get an incredible session in. You're going to feel good, and it's going to motivate you on your fitness journey to get pushing forward. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can join my online membership and really push forward with your goals. I already have hundreds of members around the world within the studio, and now I can't wait to get focused on helping true beginners to get forward with their fitness journey and to help them get in the shape and health of their life. So let's get into the session, get ready, get motivated, let's do this together. Before I get into the workout, I'm going to showcase the first exercise. Now if you have a pair of dumbbells or even just one dumbbell, you can still perform this body weight. I just want you to perform a squat. So you can hold the dumbbells down to your side, coming down as low as you can, keeping the back upright. Now if it's too difficult, you can drop one weight and just hold one dumbbell, perform the squat, and if you can't get a deep range of motion, bring a chair over, okay, or a bench if you have it, and just squat down until you can rest upon the chair, and come back up again. And you're going to perform this exercise for 30 seconds. Focus on good form, trying to push out as many reps as you can. After you complete one set, we're going to repeat it again so we can get 2 sets for each exercise, because we want to turn this into a good functional strength session. You're actually going to push forward with your goals, build lean into a muscle, get the heart rate up and push forward. So squats is going to be the first exercise, then I'll talk you through as we progress. 10-second countdown, you're going 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds of rest. So squat is the first one. I'm going to use the 2 dumbbells. So you can just squat down on the chair, back up again like so. Breathing in and out and the way up. Now again, you can go and make it more difficult by moving away from the chair and squatting down as far as you can. So if you can get around 8 to 12 reps, that's perfect. And you don't need to use a heavy weight, use light dumbbells to start with, and then over time, progress. Now use the 30 seconds to rest, recover, get a drink if you need to, and then we're moving into the second set. So it's only going to be 12 minutes. Okay, get ready to go again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat down on the chair if you want. Back up again. – 15 seconds. Remember, you can drop the weight anytime. It's you against you with the workouts, just take your time. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. The next exercise is going to be a press. Now, a shoulder press. I want you to stand up straight, press the dumbbells up over your head. If it's too heavy, hold one dumbbell and just press up like so. Okay, it's the same thing. We're going for 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Okay, let's go. Straight up. Focus on good form. Now if it's too heavy with your 2 weights, just hold one dumbbell like that and press up over the head. Take your recovery, and then we go again. Okay, ready to go. Going in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up over the head. Now don't think that weight training is just solely focusing on building muscle. You're going to be burning calories, you're getting sweat on, you're being active, you're going to lose body fat alongside having good focus on your nutrition and staying active. And there literally is no excuse once it comes to getting in shape, especially with these workouts. Now the next one is going to be a front lunge. So I want you to lunge forward on one leg like so, and then switch. Now if it's too difficult, you can actually get the chair, okay, sort of use that to balance you, okay. If you can't get the full range of motion, you can just step out slightly and back in again, as long as you're getting that body moving. And if you want to challenge yourself, hold 1 or 2 dumbbells and go for your lunge. Good, and if you're only using one weight, hold the weight like so, or wherever's comfortable, and go for the lunges. Good. Grab a drink if you have it, if you need it, and take the 30 of recovery, and we're repeating the set again. Okay, get ready. We go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Same again with these lunges. Pick any variation that suits you. Ten seconds. Good. Even I'm feeling this one with the lunges, so it's completely up to you. You can drop the weight, just go body weight. Don't need to go as deep with the lunges. Okay, this next one is to target our back. So I want you to kneel down on the ground, and if you have the 2 dumbbells, I want you to switch like that. So you're rolling up each time. Now if you only have 1 dumbbell, you can just go with the 1 and roll up like that for 1 set and then switch. Now if you have sore knees or you can't perform that exercise on the ground, just bend over and do your row like that, okay? Just means here we can get a wee bit of extra core engagement. So same thing, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Try to get good reps. Bring the elbows in tight. I don't want to see them flaring away. Keep them in. So keep a hold for a few seconds at the top. Good. That's it. Take a rest, and we go again. We're nearly there. Take your recovery, 15 seconds. Brilliant, especially if this is your first time working out in the wide. Fair play, keep the momentum. We're going to 3, 2, 1. Keep the form. $15 seconds. Few more reps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. We have 2 more exercises to complete the session. Next one, just bicep curls. You're just standing up and you're just curling like so. Easy exercise to perform, and you can actually do this with 1 dumbbell or a kettlebell. Just hold it like so and curl up. Really shape off your biceps. Okay, we're going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Second, control the breathing in on the way up, and out on the way down. Simple as that. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Good, okay. One more set of these curls. Take your recovery, 15 seconds. Let's go. Focus on good form, team. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, brilliant. The last exercise, I want you to lie down on the ground, okay? Lying back, and I want you to do a chest press up, like so. Again, if you're only using 1 weight, just press up with the 1 weight. So you're just sitting back, lying back on the ground, and you're just pressing up, and this is a brilliant exercise to target around the chest area and the back of the arms, your triceps, as well as your shoulders, so you can really lean and tone and sculpt that upper body. So we've literally targeted the full body with this session. It's only 12 minutes long, and as we progress within the studio on the beginner series, we will continue to target multiple muscle groups and push forward with your goals. Brilliant. Take the rest of recovery, 20 seconds, and then we're going to push out again. Okay, get ready. We're going 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There it is, team. Massive, well done. Your beginner, complete, full body workout. Well done. Massive fist pump. Congratulations for completing that workout. Now, keep in mind, that's 12 minutes, that's full body. We're focusing on starting to learn how to lift weights here and push forward with your goals. The benefits of weight training is absolutely incredible. Not only are you shaping up your body, you're becoming stronger, you're helping with your bone density, your fitness, your cardio levels, you're burning calories, you're losing unwanted body fat, and you're pushing forward with your goals. And this is going to be a big focus within my online Train Like a Warrior workout studio, where I'm going to help beginners push forward with their goals and get into the shape and health of their life by following alongside with me and having me as your coach step by step every single session, teaching you how we can progress with these real-time workouts, nutrition, and so much more. But anyway, team, if you enjoyed this and you want to see more beginner sessions,
please make sure to leave this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know you completed it, and even share this workout video with one of your mates who's maybe a beginner who wants to get into working out. Share it with them so hopefully they can get up, get moving, and get fitter, healthier and stronger with the help from these workouts. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to keep updated with all the workouts, and hopefully I'll see you within the studio. Take care, see you in the next one.